Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your channel, Brilliant Minds by Neeru. Students, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can do practicals in CSS files. Everybody studies in theory about CSS, but nobody tells you about the practical, how you can do practicals in CSS, all the types of CSS. Okay, so let me start teaching you. First of all, you must be knowing its full form is Cascading Style Sheets. It is a language used to style an HTML document. It describes how HTML elements should be displayed. So mainly it is concerned with the formatting in HTML pages or the web pages. So it can be added in three ways: inline, internal and external. What is inline? By using style attributes, students. Keep remembering style attributes inside HTML elements. An internal style element in head section. There's a difference between the two. An inline style attribute and here an internal style element inside head section. And third, external. By using a link element to link to an external CSS file. In this external, students, one thing you must remember that it is saved by the extension as .css. Okay, and in this we do not use any tags. This coding is used for other files like for inline and internal. Whatever formatting you describe in external .css file, that is used in these HTML files. Okay, I'll explain you clearly. See here. First, inline CSS. Inline CSS is used to apply unique style to a single HTML document, not to the whole website pages. Okay, only a single web page. Inline CSS uses style attributes. See here, style. H1 style is equal to, then paragraph style is equal to. Okay, these are the attributes here, used as attributes. Okay, next which I'll tell you. See here, internal CSS. It is used to, again, it is used to define a style for a single HTML page. It is defined in the head section. See here, in the head section, style is defined here and it is closed here. Okay, see the difference between internal and inline. So next I'm telling you about external. This is a special thing, important thing you must understand. With external style sheet, you can change the look of an entire website. I mean, in the website, if suppose 2, 3 or 4, any number of pages are there. So whatever formatting you describe, you tell in this external, okay, that will be applied to all the web pages inside the website. Okay, external styles are defined within the link element. See here the coding here, no tags are used here, just body, background color and H1 color navy and margin left. This is pixels. And one more thing about this thing you must note, do not add space between 20 and px like this. This is wrong, this is erroneous. 20 space, you must write 20 px with no space in between. Okay, external style sheet can be written in any text editor, not only Notepad, and must be set with a .css extension. This is an important thing, students. The external .css file should not contain any HTML tags. See here, no HTML tags has been used like HTML opening, closing, head, title, nothing. Just we have specified here the background color and color of the header. Okay, so I'll tell you how you can see, how you can use this. So in any file you can use this external.css as href and Arial. What is Arial? Arial stands for relationship. This is normal HTML file as you have been creating an HTML web page. And see here, rel is equal to style sheet and href is equal to the name of the CSS file in which you have described or specified the formatting for all the pages. Okay, so I'll tell you how to do it. So first of all, I have already open executed. See here, inline HTML. Okay, I'll show you its source code also. See here, its web page. This is here. So external.css. This is a heading. This is inline. Okay, this is a heading and this is inline. See here. And for here, see, style sheet external CS. This is heading. This is inline. This is for external. Okay, and for internal, see here, I'll show you its coding also. Click on web source page. See here, background color powder blue, then header color blue, paragraph color red. See here, internal for this powder blue background, and this is the blue color and the red color for this paragraph or whatever you type in this. Okay, is it clear? And this is for external HTML, and for this the coding you can see here, style sheet Arial is equal to style sheet and external.css, this you have added in it. So these formatting will be used in this external. Okay, and the link you have already given here, relationship, style sheet and href. So I can show you here for inline coding is here. Style here, see, you can see h1 style, p style as used as attributes. Okay, and for external, see here, no tags have been used and this is saved as .css. And in this I have used this coding. Like for external, see, this is you have specified here in external CSS. What you have specified, the colors like background color green and color header color is white. Same you can see here. See here, background color is green and this color is white. I hope you have understood, and please do keep watching all my videos. You will be learning. It's a great fun. I try to make fun learning for you students. All the best.